Every soul will taste death. كل نفس ذائقة الموت. And Allah has declared this in Surah Al-Anbiya, verse 35. وَنَبْلُكُمْ بِالشَّارِ وَالْخَيْرِ فِتْنَةً وَإِلَيْنَا تُرْجَعُونَ. We test you with hardship and ease and a trial, and to us you will return. Now think of life as a 24-hour day in Allah's scale. For 23 hours, 59 minutes, and 59 seconds, we were in the realm of the mithaq, the day of the covenant. Allah asked us, "Am I not your Lord?" And every soul bore witness. Yes, we testify. That was the long span of timeless eternity. Then came the final second, the dunya, just one fleeting moment. And in that second lies all our tests, all our striving, all our choices. And Allah says, Nablukum, we test you. This dunya is the furnace. We are placed here into the fire of life, not to be destroyed, but to be refined. The heat of trials, whether of hardship or ease or pain or joy, brings out what lies within. For some, patience and gratitude rise. For others, arrogance, despair, or heedlessness. The fire does not create it, it reveals. Then Allah names it Fitnah. This is the moment when the impurities surface, the doubts, the temptations, the distractions that cling to our hearts, just as dross rises on molten gold. These flaws are brought to light, but their purpose is not to break us. Their purpose is to be swept away, so the soul shines in its purest form. And when that second passes, we return again to eternity, first to the barzakh, then to the day of judgment. Allah seals the truth with His words, وَإِلَيْنَا تُرْجَعُونَ, and to us you will return. This dunya is but a second in the clock of Allah. The fire you face is not against you. It is for you. And if you endure with faith, what remains, like gold, purified in the furnace, is pure, strong, unbreakable, prepared for eternity.